Severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Scales Mound, or 11 miles east of Galena, moving north at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellisburg, Belmont, Benton, Barneville, Highland, Arena, Ridgeway, Centerville, Avica, Orion, Linden, New Diggings, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Cobb, Fayette, and Clyde. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Hydes Mill, the House on the Rock, and Iowa Grand School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.